Have you been searching for a way to get in shape and actually enjoy the process of working out? Well, today I'm going to show you my favorite form of exercise that will bring you amazing results. I'm so excited. I'm here with my best friend, Moses Urbano, Pilates extraordinaire. You are such a rock star. You really are. You teach people worldwide. And to me, when you introduced me to Pilates about 5 or 6 years ago, it changed my life. This actually helped not only me become a stronger person physically, but emotionally and mentally. I was able, and still am able, to tune into my body and really get back to my center when I'm working out. And so now I find myself absolutely, positively looking forward to working out every day. And so I thank you for that.
Well, I thank you, Michelle, for inviting me to your lovely home and introducing me to your new friends.
All the way here from San Diego.
From San Diego, yes, absolutely.
We're here in Florida.
I'd follow you anywhere in the world.
Oh,
you're a dear friend.
You are dear friends. And so the Reformer is something very different, very unique. Talk about Joe Pilates and how he created this Reformer and what he had in mind.
Many years after he initially, designed his work on this apparatus that he called the Reformer, and it's basically designed, it's a platform with attachments on a fixed gear with springs. So you have the weight of your body and you have the springs that create resistance. And the resistance of springs mimics the muscles of the body. They're elastic. So you find a perfect balance of strength and flexibility with Pilates.
It's lying down as opposed to standing up. What's the purpose of that?
Well, I don't know about you, but I much prefer lying back with the remote. I'm very relaxed. However, that was his way to really sneak into the body, to put you in a position to where you're most comfortable, and then started some resistance at your feet, which, today, we know that all the pressure points in the feet mirror the body, and known as reflexology. So he really attacked the body in so many directions just by lying you back, putting you in proper alignment with your head into the headpiece and your shoulders at the shoulder blocks and your feet against that foot bar, and immediately the body lends itself for you to arrest all of the tension so we can get into the muscular structure and force to engage those muscles of the trunk, the core, your center, your powerhouse, whatever you want to call it. It's the muscles of the midsection in the front, the back, and the buttocks. Yeah. And from there, it's the framework of the body you work out.
It's really fabulous how you tune into your body when you're working out.
Well, the work really is simply designed so that we call your attention to your basic alignment. If you need to send that message, or you need to just tweet this thing, or you need to take this call, Pilates is not going to be a good match for you. But when you're ready to take an hour for yourself, which I think you're worth it, I know I am and I know you are too.
That's right.
So take that time for yourself. Put those mobile devices, social media, whatever it is, on pause and do the work for you.
When I met you, you were training Louise Hay, and she was 85 at the time, and so a lot of your clients are in their 80s.
Some of them are. Some of them started with me at 85 and lived to well into their 90s, and I have some as young as 14 and 15.
So if someone's never tried Pilates before, the Reformer, what do you suggest they do to get started? Can they just start and join a class, or do they need to get some private sessions first?
Well, I would recommend some privates first with a qualified teacher. If they're weak, the teacher will know how much resistance to give them.
Right.
Your apparatus has different springs that we can apply, 5, 4, 3, 2, or 1, depending on what it is that I want your body to achieve in one of the movements. So start with an instructor and then join the class. You'll be safer, and mostly because you will be in tune with what your body's abilities are. And a weakness isn't something that you need to give into. It's just something to be mindful for so that you prevent injury. And this is what I love about Pilates. It teaches you how to love yourself and accept everything that you have.
Love you. Now over to you. I'd love to know your thoughts. Please leave your questions or ideas in the comment section below this video. And thanks for watching Michelle Phillips Beauty. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and sign up for my email on my website, michellephillips.com, so you don't miss an episode. And join my online community on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.